Today, I'm going to teach you how to make the best Jamaican style chicken recipe ever. So first things first, I went in with my sauces, ginger, spring onions, my salt, thyme, chicken seasoning, and a bit of paprika. Also added a bit of pimento seeds, and then I went in with my brownies. So at this point, obviously, I just wanted to mix it, marinate it. So once it looks like this, it's perfect. It's ready to go in my air fryer. So I've just gone ahead to put my chicken bits in my air fryer. I'm going to go ahead and air fry that. While that's air frying, I'm going to make my lovely salad, my lovely mango salad. So I did use some mango, some chili, and onions, tomato, and a bit of lime and as well. So I've just mixed that all in, and this was so fresh and delicious. And then, yep, my chicken is ready now. So I'm going to make a sauce for my chicken glaze. So I went in with barbecue, ketchup, and a bit of honey as well. And I'm just going to go ahead and stir that up a bit to make sure it's stirred in, like they're all mixed together properly. And then I'm going to go ahead and just put that all over my chicken, and I'm gonna put that back in the air fryer for a bit, and it should look something like this. This tasted amazing, and the salad was beautiful. Salad and the chicken together, whoa.